Hi everyone. The class was with fifth grade, the educational institution called Huacacayo Vitalito Huila. Okay, the topic was about verb to be, pronouns, and jobs. First, I share with them a videos and picture. This was the video. And 10 students answer me about that. And here I share with them a picture, some examples, some questions. And this group is very complete that all the students participate because only like 10 or 6 students is in the class. Now here I put a or share a picture about the jobs. And I say, guys, in the number 1, what is the correct answer? Say me is farmer, is singer, is pilot, and so. I sent audios. This way. Here other pictures. Say me teacher 2 is 1 for postman, doctor, and so. Here I put some sentence in Spanish and they had to say or write brought in English. Like he's a teacher, I am a student. Here, there are the audio. Here. I put the sentence, my gato es negro y grande. My cat is black and white. And finally, I share with them some sentence like where they had to say which was the correct one. For example, dinner on the table, it's 7 in the morning, I'm very tired today. Where are you from? This way. And there was like the quiz or exam. And that it was all. It worked with application WhatsApp. It's a little complicated, yes, but I tried to get some samples, some pictures with the purpose that the student can learn. Thank you.